Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7, for the first you have to open the settings, then just scroll down to enter biometrics and the security, go for the face recognition, input your current log method. After that we have to read the description, then click continue. I'm not wearing the glasses, so I'm just going simply to continue. And right now we have to keep our face in this position, and this face recognition was successful, so right now we can just simply click done, go back, lock the device, now just unlock, and as you can see the face was recognized, so right now we can simply swipe to open. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.